Hi guys, welcome back to the DutchPilotGirl channel where I take you along on my flights and life as an airline pilot. Today I'll take you along to the coastal area of the Algarve in Portugal. Welcome to Faro. Before we continue, I'd like to thank Sally for partnering with me on this video and making all of our trips so much easier. You just need 3 things for a successful trip: your passport, money and a Sally eSIM. An eSIM is a digital SIM card that connects to mobile data without the need for a physical SIM card. I celebrated New Year's in Tokyo and traveling without internet is not recommended. The Sally eSIM is my go-to when I travel, and setting it up is super easy and only takes a few minutes. You just download the Sally app, choose a data plan, enter the DutchPilotGirl promo code and set everything up. Once you arrive at your destination, your data plan will already be activated, so you can instantly book a Grab, use Google Maps and of course text your family to let them know you've just experienced the best landing ever. Once you install the Sally eSIM, it works in over 180 countries, so there's no need to get a new one for every single trip. For my Tokyo trip, for example, I only needed to select Japan and that was literally it. The plans are cheap, and once you're all set, you never have to worry about not being connected or roaming fees ever again. Download the Sally app and use the code DutchPilotGirl at checkout to get 15% off your data plan. It's a must-have and common sense for every traveler. De Algarve is een prachtig gebied en als je van mooi weer houdt, lekker eten en een mooie omgeving, dan moet je hier zeker naartoe gaan. En hoe vroeger je boekt, hoe goedkoper het is, hè?
2500. Approaching minimums. Minimums. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.